Welcome to another episode of Kohli Glow Signs, where we specialize in enhancing residential and commercial front elevations. Today, we are diving into the world of ACP and HPL products, along with our exceptional CNC work, to bring you unparalleled solutions for your front elevation needs. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Kohli Glow Signs. Today, we are going to explore the fascinating realm of ACP sheets. ACP stands for aluminum composite panels and is the most commonly used product for building exteriors. Over the past few years, their demand has been soaring. Join us as we uncover what makes ACP sheets so popular. Inside the asterisk, you'll find a wide variety of colors and numerous finishes. Prepare to be amazed by the range of vibrant colors available, along with different finishes such as stone, wooden, glossy, and matte. Almost every type of finish is readily available in the market for ACP sheets. These sheets come in various thicknesses ranging from 2 mm to 6 mm. Let's discuss the advantages of ACP sheets. They are incredibly lightweight, making them easy to handle and install. ACP sheets offer remarkable design flexibility, allowing you to create unique and captivating designs. Moreover, they are environmentally friendly, weather-resistant, termite-proof, UV-resistant, and easy to clean. These advantages truly make ACP sheets a remarkable product. They are often paired with HPL sheets and primed to ensure long-lasting quality. The standard size of ACP sheets is 8 by 4 feet, but you can also find them in 10 by 4 feet. When it comes to installation, ACP sheets offer great flexibility, enabling you to assign various designs. You can use ACP sheets to cover the exteriors and enhance the overall look of your building. It's a truly versatile material. Now, let's explore where you can utilize ACP sheets. As mentioned earlier, ACP sheets are commonly installed on the exteriors of buildings. In addition, they are extensively used in creating eye-catching signage boards on roadsides. You can find ACP sheets in shopping malls, restaurants, schools, and many other places. Speaking of prices, they may vary depending on the specifications. If you found this information informative, please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends here at Kohli Glow Signs. We'll be back with more captivating videos soon. Stay tuned. Kohli Glow Signs, enhancing residential and commercial front elevations with ACP and HPL products and CNC work.